This right there is my mother's truck. It's a 2018 Nissan Titan. And she got some problems. Specifically, some headlight problems. So one of these headlights would not turn off, and ultimately, it was killing the battery. I unplugged it at the time and went on the hunt for some new headlights. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll do a cost breakdown and show you exactly how I solved over $2,000 on this headlight repair. But first, we gotta wait for some mail from the Amazon. So Jeff Bezos sent me out 2 brand new headlights. These are some pretty big units, and we gotta get them installed now. But before I get the truck in the garage, I gotta move a few things. This is a push, pull, and drag event. I either gotta build a bigger shop or stop buying so many projects. So in the future, I'm gonna have to build a bigger shop. So let's get this truck in the shop and get to work. It's like that Wildflower song. One headlight. Don't worry, I won't quit my day job. So it's like well into the negatives outside today. It's pretty cold out. The truck itself is pretty cold. We're in the shop here. I got the heat turned up a bit. I'm gonna let the truck kind of climatize and warm up a little bit before I attempt to take off some of these plastic pieces, just so they don't crack, because when things are cold, they crack really easy. So I'm gonna dodge in, I'm gonna grab a coffee, and probably a half hour, 45 minutes, or an hour, I'll come back out and start taking this apart. So the first thing we got to do is remove the grille, which involves undoing all of these clips. There's also some in this hole, that hole, same on the other side. Just simply get a flat top screwdriver and give it a twist. Next, you got to get the clips undone on the bottom of the grill. These clips are a little different, and I'll show you in a minute. Also, don't be afraid of it. Don't forget to unplug the front camera. So here's the clips on the bottom of the bumper. You can see here, this is a tool I use. It's just like a really big 90-degree pick. I was able to come in through the grill, get on the bottom of these and just kind of press up on them and pull them out. Now we got to come over to the fender liners. You got a Phillips screw here to take out. All that holds on this fender flare are a few plastic clips. Just grab it and give it a yank. Okay, so this is not supposed to be broke up like this. We got a 10 mil here. On the other side, this 10 mil is actually missing. And there's supposed to be a fastener here. And in here, there's a little clip. So we want to get those out so we can kind of pry back this fender liner. To get at this 10 mil, but as you can see, this one is missing, and there's a big piece already broke here for the 10 mil. This has already all been apart before, and there are a few missing fasteners and a few clips already broke. So I don't feel so bad about the few that I broke. There's also a handful of these little push pins along the top of here that you're going to want to get out. I just put a rag over the end of these upper bumper covers. That'll hopefully prevent anything from getting scratched out. This truck has one of those active grill shutters, so you do have to remove that on this one. Just unplug it on the bottom and rip it out. Alright, so I just removed the active grill mumbo jumbo junk. And I guess under that, there's more clips. So you got some clips on the top of this upper bumper piece. And below right here, you'll see them when you get it apart. You got more clips. That's just great. So now that we got all the clips removed, we can grab this and pull it off. There's a few clips around the headlights, but if you pull on it hard enough, it'll come off. And yeah, I know you don't need to take this piece all the way off, but for the sake of a handful of extra clips, just take it off. Makes it a lot easier. And side note, all of these little black plastic clips that hold on that little bumper piece are super brittle by now. This truck is almost 10 years old, so all these little plastic bits are super brittle. So it wouldn't hurt to grab a few more of these. There's 4 10 mils holding these headlights in. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and 1 on the side. Well. Welcome to Newfoundland, where everything seizes off and breaks off. So that 10 mil on there, we just twisted right off. I just loved it for me. But wait, there's more. Oh my God, not for real. Wow. Not true. Well, we got one that actually came out. That's great. What's that Meatloaf song? 3 out of 4 ain't bad, or something like that. Buy a Nissan, they say. They don't rot out like shivs. Okay. Tell all those 10 mils that. This headlight right here is the bad one, so I'm going to replace this one first. We may turn the truck on, and I'll just make sure it works, right? So yes, we did twist off 3 bolts, but we'll fix that. Nothing a few self-tappers won't fix though. So let's get ready now and get our new headlight ready to put on. I'm just going to turn the truck on, make sure it actually works before I go ahead and replace the other one. It's on, it's bright. The LED strip is a little different. These are the OEM lights, and you can see the LED strip kind of does that. Whereas, I guess these are like a newer style. Like the newer, this is an 18, so I guess like the newer, kind of still this generation Titans, but a few years newer, had these full bars like that. We got side markers. Oh, yeah. We got working high beams. Our low beam and daytime running lights are working, but the signal light, not so much. What the heck? So let's pop it back out and see what I got done wrong. Oh, I'll show you what I done wrong. So I got this little piece here. This was down in the hole. I never seen it. So I just fished down there with a pick, got this out. But I guess that replaces the orange signal light bulb. So I just got to plug this into the socket there. So yeah, just simply remove the bulb and plug in this connector on the headlight. I can't believe I broke off almost all of them 10 mil bolts. Unbelievable, man. Freaking junk. She's back in place. Let's try that signal light once again. There we go. We got a signal light that looks like it's right from 1999. Time for the next one. Brand new upper bumper cover. Yes, sir. Got the shutters all in. And let's chuck the grill back in her, and this thing is done like dinner. Don't forget to plug in our camera. Well, this was a quick video of me fixing up my mother's truck once again. In the last video, you see me put a starter on it, get new headlights this video, and she's going to need new brakes soon, so be another video. So I called Nissan just for curiosity to get a price on a new headlight. You better be sitting down for this because the price is crazy.
Sales, press 1. For service, press 2. For parts, press 3. For reception.
Price firm, can you hold for a moment, please?
Yep. I love this song. I'm looking to get a price on a headlight.
Okay, what kind of vehicle?
It's a 2018 Nissan Titan.
2018 Titan.
Yep. I got the VIN there if you want it.
Yeah, it's pretty far away.
JN540
Yep.
909.
909.
It's the passenger side.
Passenger side?
Yeah. I'm looking for the full headlight assembly.
Retails for about $28.63.
Oh, okay.
$2,863.
All right, buddy. Thanks a lot.
Of course, man. Anytime.
Yes, my son.
Take care.
You too, buddy. Thanks.
All right, buddy.
$2,800 for one headlight. These headlights were like $800 in total, like shipped, taxes, everything. And the installation was obviously free. Hopefully they last a little bit of time. I mean, you never know what you're getting when you're getting stuff online like that, but hopefully they last a few years at least. I did price up a used one as well. This was a while back. A used headlight out of a 200,000 kilometer truck was $900. So two of these brand new Amazon lights were still cheaper than a used headlight. And two of these Amazon lights were about $2,000 cheaper than an OEM light. So the way she goes, man. I prefer OEM stuff, especially this kind of stuff, because you know what you're getting, honestly. But try it out, see how it goes. $2,800 for a headlight. I could buy like 6 $500 cars for that, or a dozen more projects. That's it for this video, boys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.